Greetings, greetings, greetings. What you think it really mean to put God first? You think you should have put him before you pick them, or your mother, or your father? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And you subscribe yet? Do it now, no? Click the subscribe button and the notification bell too to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on. Right yourself.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Matthew chapter 10 from verse 34 to verse 42. No matter things say, a peace may come for bring upon earth. And no peace may come here for bring. A war come here for turn one boy pitney against him pa. One daughter against her mother. And one daughter-in-law against her mother-in-law. And one man, worst enemy, are going to be part of him own family. Anybody will love them father or mother more than me, no deserve to be me follower. And anybody will love them boy pitney or girl pitney more than me, them no fit to be me follower neither. And anybody will not take up them own a cross and follow me, them no fit to be me follower. Anybody will try save them life, I go lose it. But if you no lose no life, sake of me, you will get to live forever and ever. Anybody will welcome uno, welcome me. And anybody will welcome me, welcome the one will send me come. Anybody will welcome one prophet, because they sister one prophet that. Then we get the same thing like with the prophet them I go get. And anybody will welcome somebody will do right in a God's eye. Just cause and say that somebody there do it right in a God's eye. Then we get the same thing like with the people them will do right in a God's eye I go get. And anybody will give one of my humble follower them even 1 cup of ice water. Cause and say them are my follower. Me I tell you this. I mean not lie. That's somebody there I go get what them forget. A God would this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.